and craft with me. Let's turn the ordinary into fantasy. Create a world wild and free. Make stuff and craft with me.
Hiya, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn wrapping paper into a gift bag. You can also use like patterned paper or any other paper you want. But if you've got something that's really awkward to wrap, this is a really easy way of doing it. So you get a bit of the wrapping paper, you fold one side over, make sure the crease is really well done. You fold the other side over so it's just overlapping, and then you can glue this or sellotape it. Doesn't matter as long as you stick it together. I don't have the patience to glue it, so I'm just going to be sellotaping it. If you don't want a sellotape to show, you could always use double-sided sellotape and it will work perfectly. But you just want to make sure this edge is nice and secure. So it's like I say, it's just really simple if you haven't got a gift bag to hand, or you're like me and you end up forgetting to buy and gift wrap. The amount of times I've given people Christmas wrapping paper because that's all I've got, because I forget to buy birthday wrapping paper. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to fold up the bottom, and this is going to like determine how wide your bag is. So if you do it just a little bit, your bag's going to be really thin. Do it a bit more, it'll be thicker. Basically the thickness will be just over half of whatever you're folding over. So this is going to be a kind of thin one. So you fold it over, fold it back down, and then open up the bottom like this. And then you want to fold the edge in so the crease lines up with where it's folded. So you want to do that on both sides. Again, make sure the folds are really nicely done so there's a proper crease in them. Then you want to take the edge, fold it over so it's just over halfway. So you just want it over that line. Fold that down. Do the same the other side so they overlap slightly, and then glue or sellotape it down. So again, I just grabbed a little bit of tape and just stuck that on the bottom. Now you can just leave it like that and it'll be kind of like a flattish kind of bag, but I like to square out the sides. So to do that, you just fold the edges over. Basically this triangle bit you're going to basically fold off. So you just fold it along there to make the bottom square, and you just fold it all the way up the edge. Depending on how thick your paper is depends how easy this is. This was actually really thick paper. But then again, thick paper makes better gift bags because it won't rip. So you do the same with the other side. And then we're going to fold this back open in a sec. So we're going to fold all this open, pop the now bag open, and then we're going to flatten out these edges. So we're going to fold them in the opposite direction that they were originally folded in, so that the sides fold inwards now. If you've done a nice crease, this should be easy. So you just fold those inwards, and this makes the side. And you just do that with the other side as well. And also these make good sweet bags as well. If you want to put some like little treats and stuff in. You don't necessarily have to use them for gift bags. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a handy way of, if you can't wrap something that's an awkward shape. Everyone can wrap something that's square, but if it's like rounded or something, it's just really easy if there's multiple things you can put in. It's just simple. And then just to close it up, you can either just like fold it over and tape it down, or you can fold it over, hole punch a couple of holes in the top and put some ribbon through, add a handle, up to you, however you want to do it. So hopefully it's helped. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.